Alright, good morning, shadows. We are in Kosice? It's one of those three. In Slovakia. So this is our first time in Slovakia. It's the second largest city in Slovakia, I believe. I'll check that out and let you know. And we're going to check out the sights today. Alright guys, so this is where I'm gonna leave my vlog for this lovely city. I'm bummed I didn't get to see a couple of things, simply because honestly I'm in so much pain right now, and I know it doesn't look like it, but I've got a really high threshold for pain, and I'm just trying to get back to the hostel so that I can lift my leg and relax it a little bit. So I really loved Kosice. I'll pronounce it down here for you guys. It was really lovely, and the fact that almost everything is on the one street or close to that one street is very handy. Make sure you check it out. Make sure you don't hurt yourself. Make sure you watch where you're walking, and yeah, make sure you check out the description below to check links to my blog and my other social media so that you get a full 360-degree experience of this trip. And until next video guys, safe journeys.